Welcome back to another video of unboxing. Today we will be unboxing the Google Chromecast. It supports YouTube, Google Play, BBC iPlayer, ITV, All 4, MY5, BBC Sport, Now TV, Netflix, Spotify, and Facebook. Some of these will need a license. You can also use your phone as a remote, as you can cast to the TV using a button on the top right hand side of your screen. It looks like that. Anyone in your house can cast to the TV using Android, iPhone, and laptops with Chrome. So you can share your photos or whatever you like using screen mirroring. You can also watch YouTube on your TV. Enjoy the videos and music that you love on the big screen. With Google Home, just say what you want to watch to start streaming from compatible apps. This supports 1080p HD support with 60 frames per second, and with the last one with 30. So there has been an update. It plugs into the HDMI port of your TV, as you will see. Simple setup with the Google Home app. It's very simple. Stream from thousands of Android and iPhone apps. You can visit g.co/Chromecast/apps. Then you can mirror your Android screen or laptop to your TV. Let's go ahead and open this then. You will see the original Chromecast with a G. It's simple, elegant, and has a matte finish. They removed the magnet that you could stick onto there. I don't know why, but they just did. Next, you will find the charger. Then, the warranty card and safety card, and how to get started. There's only 3 steps. It's really cool. Then, you get the cables, the charger's cable, which will be pretty long. So I will just demonstrate. This goes into here. Which way is it? That way. This goes into here, like that. And this plugs in to the bottom of your Chromecast, like so. And then it provides the Chromecast with power. The Chromecast can hide behind your TV. It doesn't need to be it's charcoal, so it doesn't need to be customized, or there's only 2 colors. Black charcoal, like this, and plain white, which has a white Chromecast and a charcoal extender. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, Be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure to send a comment. See you next time.